My name is Amron, and my role at Mountain Warehouse is the visual merchandising manager for all of North American stores. So I have worked at Mountain Warehouse for about 10 years in August. So my role is based in London, Ontario in Canada. However, I do travel all over North America. I'm responsible for training, coaching, and guiding the store teams and area managers on the company's visual standards and best practices. I regularly work with our head office visual team, which is in the UK, to find the best ways of visually displaying our products. I think going into a store that's well organized and visually attractive is going to very much influence the customer into making great purchases. I'm most excited for Mountain Warehouse to have more growth and expansion in the business, and the business just become the biggest outdoor company in all of North America.